We are beginning now. You may proceed with the sound recording process.
Come on, and give me back. Yeah, it wasn't my intention to destroy my own invention, but I knew what I had to do, and the circumstance